Alright guys, I'm gonna go over my trade recap for the day. Let me pull up my Discord, see what I sent out to my Discord before the market open. Alright, happy Tuesday, easy buy, stay long, bank into PM session shorts. Obviously we're printing shorts right now, it's not PM session yet, but you know what I mean. I said want to see us hold 888, then we can hit 30k. If we close below 888, then I'd be down for shorts. Okay, so I say that. Let's mark out 888. And when I say like these closes, like I'm talking the 15-minute chart. 888. So mark that out. 15-minute chart, you can see that we never closed below that. Wow, what do you mean? Print out the first 15-minute CRT in the longs. But what did we take today in my Discord? I pull up trades. Everyone took shorts. Lucas got longs, nice. But we all took shorts on live, so I'm just getting into what I was looking at. So at the hourly time frame here, I was like, oh shit. ES looks pretty bearish. At market open, we had a SMT with these highs. So I'm like, shit, I could see shorts printing out. So what do? Wait for this to play out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Go to market open here. So you can see ES starts just dumping before market open, and turn on sessions. You can see we have the London session below. We already swept out Asia session lows, but London session should be our target now because we swept out both these highs. So it's going to be seek and destroy day and then rip to all-time highs. Back to NASDAQ. We have these two pretty significant lows. I'm expecting one of these to probably get ran before we end up ripping to all-time highs. And what do we have? A rejection block down here, unfilled 5-minute rejection block of this. Also unfilled 15, or it's unmitigated 15-minute. I mean, it's mitigated, but like not very mitigated. So that'd be a good spot to long from after we hold 888. So what can we see? Let's play out the market open. Market opens, we immediately wick up, take out this draw, and what I was looking at is coming out of the 1-minute chart. Mark out the open of the stock exchange right here. Okay, so we get this manipulation right here. We can mark out this manipulation leg. And what do we have? We have a -2 right above these highs. So what do I want to see? I want to see those highs get taken, and then we have like super low volume around here as well. So we can just look for this. We immediately get this trade, and then in the next 30 seconds we come up, mitigate this, and then my entry was just off of the close of this candle, targeting the rejection block lows. I ended up closing when ES swept out London session lows. But if you mark out OT, you can see stop loss was like at the 0.79. Took the entry off of that, and then we immediately just displaced lower. Boom, right to TP. And then obviously you can see this is where long sprints from, CE of this 5-minute gap. We end up holding above 888 on the 15-minute chart. We closed the inverse on the 5-minute, lined up with 888, immediately break structure up, and then longs just print from there. So I mean, pretty easy day to be honest. It's just long. We're just longing. Added to my long bias when we have London session lows OTE. You can mark that out, and we have the 2.5 getting respected here. So we're gonna want to see price come up to the -4. And what does -4 line up with? It's all-time highs. So easy. 30k was the draw, and yeah, simple day, you know. Just don't overcomplicate trading. Take your shorts, take your longs. The thing that I love about my trading style is this is a manipulation down, but I can catch this manipulation, and it's 70 points, right? So take my 70 points, get off, or take my 70 points and wait for another setup. Obviously this long would have been even better. My entry would have been probably off of this right here, this OTE with this 1 minute order block right here. If I wanted longs, but I was done for the day, so take the entry off the close of this candle, stop loss at this low, targeting 30K or just the -4, whatever you want to target, and boom, there you go. Easy 3.4R. And then obviously it just ran even more. You could have held for 9R. So yeah, easy day. Hope you guys learned something, and later.